Day 3 of harvest log. We're again right back up on the top of the hill. We will finish this winter barley up here tonight. Then we'll get the combine moved back down to the farm and get it turned around ready tomorrow. More KWS Ferris. It's after winter wheat, so there are a few little wheat volunteers in here. Not too bad actually. Crop's very ripe. You can see it brackling over quite well now, which is yeah, it's good that we are here with the combine just getting this in these sorts of conditions. Spider's web just there, helping catch a few insects and aphids along the way, I'm sure. Yeah, slightly better crop this one. This was winter wheat last year, and then it had a couple of years of grass before that. So rotational wise, the grass is there too. There's grass and red clover, really like a herbal ley. That was there to build soil organic matter, and I think this year this is sort of starting to pay. It looks a much thicker crop. We'll just see what the combine and the weighbridge say. Some of the fields that we harvested yesterday up over there, where the harvest log came from, in that gap yesterday, that was doing just under 8 tonnes per hectare, so delighted with that for the year. Going along like a little sewing machine. It's been another really hot day today, up over 32 degrees, which is a bit of a challenge for everybody and the machinery, but it's all doing okay. So we'll finish. This is the last field of winter barley at Overbury. We will move to Kemerton tomorrow. On the contract farm, we've got about 40 hectares to do. We should get that done tomorrow. That'll be day 4, and then day 5 into oilseed rape on Saturday. So really dusty, really dry, moisture's under 12%.